How to fix corrupted video files on Android. So first of all, open up your file manager. Now go to videos. Now let's say if this video is corrupted. Now keep holding the video and tap on three dots. Now go to rename. Now rename the extension and tap on OK. If this doesn't fix your issue, go back to your home screen and open up Play Store. Now tap on search bar and type corrupted video repair. Now you can install any of these applications to fix your video. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.